You're interested in what's in there, aren't you?
Yeah.
Mum doesn't have a clue.
No, I don't. What is it? It says terracotta chicken rotisserie with lid. It's definitely not that. So like
Rotisserie, is that what you said?
Roaster.
Oh, roaster. Terracotta chicken roaster with lid. No. Where did you read rosittery?
Oh, I thought it was the twinning one.
Oh, okay. It is light.
Yes.
Very light.
Yes.
What this actually is, Mum?
What is it?
It's a wok.
Is it a lightweight wok?
I mean, suppose, yeah, that is lightweight for a wok.
Oh, God, very light.
Yeah, so Mum doesn't actually know what this is. This was given to us. We haven't been paid for this, by the way. This was just sent to us by...
By who?
The School of Wok.
Is it really? Thank you, School of Wok. It's kind of you.
Yeah, it was. Like,
please keep sending.
Yeah, exactly.
Go on. Anyone,
send more if you want.
Yes.
So they sent this to us to essentially do our little opening and a review of it. We're going to do this in 2 parts. This is going to be the first Sunday episode, which was our technique videos, as opening this, and then we will review it in a real life application setting.
Yes.
Which will be part 2 on a different
I'm looking forward to that.
Also, I want to give a massive shout out to Nev, who organised this for us. He's one of the major players in School of Wok, so huge thank you to him.
Yep, thank you, Nev.
He came down and actually visited me when I did the cookery course there.
Oh yeah, that's good, yes.
And introduced me, which was lovely. I'm taking my glasses off because it's too hot and they're steaming up. And now I look like an egghead without them on. Brilliant.
Right, let's open it. Go.
This is the fried rice we did in the video.
Wow.
Not actually sure if this was sent by School of Wok themselves or it was sent by a third
party,
yeah.
Yeah.
Not 100%.
Is this School of Wok here though?
Yeah, it's branded.
Oh, all right, okay.
It's a brand,
all right,
so we'll take this off.
Come on then. Wow. It's really lightweight though.
It is lightweight, yeah.
Let's look at the base.
Oh, here we go. So,
let's look at the base.
This is meant to be their all new, seasoned wok.
Oh, okay. Oh.
So this is their all new seasoned wok.
Oh, okay.
You don't have. Oh, this is a note. With compliments. I'm guessing Dexum is the manufacturer.
Yes.
Apparently, they have fixed a few issues with the first iteration of this. It might have been their second, I don't know, but they fixed stuff since the last time. So the handle has 3 rivets instead of 2 now. I think one of the main concerns before was this part here.
Keep on falling off.
Yeah, was lifting up and going wobbly.
Oh, okay.
So they've got a 3 point of contact sort of situation thing going on there to make it more sturdy.
Yeah.
Pre-seasoned, so you're never going to have to season it.
Yeah.
Having said that, though, in our experience, even though we season our woks every day for like up to 20 minutes at a time, you're still going to have to re-season them after a few.
A little while. Yes.
Yeah. Like if you're lucky, a month. If you're unlucky, I've had a wok go every day.
And flat head. No, not flat head. Flat bottom.
Yeah, flathead. Flathead screwdriver we have here. Well, how are you feeling that weight? That's always Mum's complaint, actually, is weight.
Oh, that's not too bad, not too heavy. That is the other brand. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, we won't mention that. There was another well-known brand that we reviewed, and it was
so heavy. It also broke my wrist. That's how I got my wrist injury.
Was it? Well, it had nothing to do with all the hours of work we do. So yeah, it's a 12-inch, 30 centimeters.
Just a phrase, okay? Don't take it too serious.
There's Jeremy's face there.
Yeah.
Nice silhouette. Looks like me there.
Yeah.
Also, because this is seasoned, there's no non-stick layer, which means you can use metal. Yeah, that's the word I'm looking for. Metal utensils directly onto this. Now, in our experience, seasoned woks, you can use any sort of metal on there. It's not going to wreck the
pan.
Yeah, the seasoning.
Yes.
The non-stickiness. Is this carbon steel? Feels like carbon steel. This is carbon steel, so it is going to rust if you don't look after it. If you leave water in there, it's going to rust overnight. It's just how it is. So what we do, and we always suggest this, is once you've finished cooking with it, you wash it, put it back on the heat, a high heat, for about 2 or 3 minutes, make sure all that water's gone. And then you just get a cloth with some veg oil, wipe it across the surface. Front, you don't need to do the back, just the cooking area. Jobs are good, and then you can throw it into the cupboard and it won't rust.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Can we show something? One of the wok we season.
Yeah, if
we
you want.
cannot.
Yeah, go on.
You like oily like that.
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah.
You see, that's what you need to do, right?
Put it there like that. So it will look like that.
Yeah.
These obviously have a different surface from these ones.
Yes. Because they are different steel.
Well, this is also industry standard.
Yeah.
See, we don't we don't oil the bottom. We only oil the inside, and that's been sat there for about 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Because
yeah, it's called moisturizing.
Yeah, moisturizing the pan. The good thing about this is that it's thin, which means it will pass the heat through faster, and it also means it will cool down faster. That does mean you've got certain control over your food, but in all honesty, if you're cooking East or Southeast Asian cooking, to really get that wok flavour, you need the most heat you can get. So just power that heat through, and it's just practice learning how the food reacts to the heat, how you react to the food reacting to the heat. It's just practice. Turning it up and down will get you halfway there, but you really do need like a full-blown, constant heat.
Heat for that.
Yeah.
To achieve that.
Yeah, again, it's difficult. You can do it on like a halogen hob. It just takes 1,000 times longer. Okay, so we're gonna see what kind of cooking utensils this is suitable for. Do you know what? I'm gonna unwrap it. I'm gonna take it off. Should I?
Yeah, go on then. We already talked a lot of it now.
I just don't want to ruin the...
They're here.
Oh, no, I found it. I want to keep it because we were given this. I want to frame it.
Oh, okay.
That's how sad I am. I don't think I can.
Yeah, you can. Yeah.
Oh yeah, put it through.
That's right. Well, there were no other thing. Oh yeah, maybe inside. They still got wording inside.
On the back.
Yeah.
Oh, here.
Oh yeah. Quite a lot of friendly. It's a friendly pan.
Quite a lot of friendly.
Good.
So it says gas, glass, ceramic, halogen, induction, which is fantastic, radiant ring. That's old school. That brings me back to my uni days. I used to cook takeaway in my uni, didn't I, flat, and then sell it to my flatmates, and there was like 22 of them, so I was doing okay for myself, you might say. I could afford a pint once a week. Solid fuel plate and hot plate. So it's essentially good for everything.
Okay. It's rough like that.
Yeah, I do too. That's what I like. It makes it feel like it's very similar to the ceramic surfaces.
Yeah, there's one thing I was a bit concerned.
What was?
The
base is not big enough.
Yeah.
I mean, it's classic wok.
Yes.
But like we've always said, if we were going to design a wok, we'd have the base slightly wider at the base.
Because sometimes the induction got a mind of its own. You say, you are not the right second.
Yeah.
What is that?
In fact,
Well,
that's a
you are
good point.
not the right.
I'm going to check the right size.
Yeah.
I'm going to check if
I don't want you. I reject you.
That was weird. So I'm just going to see if it works on this one because I don't think this one's fussy. Works.
Thumbs up for that. That's brilliant.
Yeah.
Excellent.
So it works on our induction, but I do know sometimes if the base is too small, it won't work. But as far as we're concerned, that's passed a test there. Overall, we're not going to test this out today because it's boiling in here,
Yeah.
and we've just
today it's just an introduction of the pan.
Yeah.
Showing you viewers about this wok.
Yeah, we show you rivers and viewers as well.
Viewers.
Also, I really like the what's that called?
Logo.
Logo, thank you. I really like the logo. And I'm looking forward to using this.
Yeah.
Like I said, we're going to battle test this properly.
Yeah.
And get back to you in a part 2. So thank you very much for watching.
Part 2.
Part 2, yeah. Which is spelt wrong deliberately. Loads of people go, are you going to correct the spelling? No, because I've done it wrong deliberately. I'm famously bad at spelling, hence the part de spelling is wrong. Oh, I spelt it wrong first time and then I sent it out and then someone said it was hilarious and keep it like that. So that's what happened. That's before it went to print. So it's a deliberate mistake from a mistake.
Yeah, so that's the story. You know it now, okay?
Yeah.
So don't correct it.
Yeah. Before we go, our final thoughts on this. A quick thing for me is I really like the handle feels good, nice shape, but it's not that, it's the attachment system. That's really nicely cast, I think, isn't it?
Yeah.
Riveted well.
And you got the 3 buttons.
And there's no flex.
Yes.
So even though they say that's quite thin, that's quite sturdy.
It's quite a strong metal though. Yeah.
Handles
Yeah.
pretty good, and I think it looks nice as well. I think that's,
Yeah, it's like a baseball bat, isn't it?
I mean, if you turned up to baseball with that, I think you'd get disqualified.
Yeah, you can catch the ball with. Sorry, I've been a bit overexcited now.
Yeah, Mum wants to get back and test this.
Yeah.
So that's what we're going to do. Thank you
the
very much
next
for.
round.
Yeah, I'd say first look though, first impressions. What are you going to give
good.
this? I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10.
Yeah, it looked very good.
Yeah.
Yeah, and also not too heavy, very stable. Some of the wood, when you put it in, it goes like that,
Yeah.
from falling down.
Balanced.
Yeah, good
Yeah.
balance.
Yeah.
It must have been in the gymnastic training then.
Yeah. Thanks for that, Mum. Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. All right, I think we sign off for today.
Yeah.
We'll see you next time.
Yeah. Take care, guys.
And thank you for watching. Happy cooking, happy eating.